In this soul connecting meditation, I am supporting you in having a steady and strong daily practice of really honoring your soul and the voice of your intuition. This meditation is guiding you into a deep sense of inner peace. I'm guiding you into your own tree of life, connecting you deeply into your roots and to your higher self, expanding that space inside of you, your essence, who you truly are, your source connection beyond fear, beyond conditioning, beyond thoughts, beyond emotions, but really, really honoring this connected space where your intuition can come through and where you can be guided by your soul. And when we are tapped into that guidance from our soul, life becomes fucking magic. And what I feel myself is that every time it happens that I let go of something, or I go beyond fear, or I surrender to my intuition beyond rational mind, things are starting to happen and flow, and things are just moving without I have to do so much. So as an artist also, one of my biggest jobs is to just make space and open myself up to be guided and to be a channel. And so in this meditation, I really want to support you in strengthening that ability inside of you as well. So you will have less detours, you will save time, money, and so much energy. So enjoy and just tap the button below, and the meditation will be sent to you in an email. Much love.